guess just paint. Yeah. Looks like something chewed there, but that's about
That's
it.
where the jack was. Broke it.
That's what it is. Okay. So the jack chewed on it, but
It's not rotted.
yeah. We're Nikki and Terry. We love to travel and take on DIY projects. Join our adventures as we just carry on. We are almost finished our truck camper conversion into our own DIY travel trailer. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Today is day 33 and I will be putting in the double mattress we got for our now travel trailer. It is looking so awesome, I love it. I cannot wait to go traveling in it with our cat wizard. He is our 14-year-old cat. My shelving unit I designed and built is now in. I am so impressed with how good it looks. The mattress is now in. This is how it opens to put stuff in. Perfect. The aluminum for the side panel. The side panel cut and now put on. This was Terry's creative way of how to set it up for drying against the wood. I got the floor cleaned up really well. This is what it looks like. That's it for today. See you next time. Please subscribe and hit the like button if you haven't already.